Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today there's a new update, there's a new WhatsApp update I'm going to show you, and also I'm going to be showing you a little trick how you can connect your WhatsApp 4 times to this WhatsApp update. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link at the description box of the video, so click at the link, register your account, and then once you're done, then come to this task button right here. Click at the task button, and they are going to input your WhatsApp number right here. You can choose your country code here and also input your WhatsApp number. So once you're done, click at this get code right here. So after you're done, copy the code, then go back to your WhatsApp account. Go back to your WhatsApp account, click at this three dots right here, the menu button, then click at link device. So once you click at this link a device, and then use mobile data, put in your password, and also once you're done, click at this link with phone number, then put in the code you copied, and then just leave it to load. Just give it some time, it's going to load. Okay, so as you can see right here, it have load. Okay, so the trick I'm going to show you is it's for you to connect your WhatsApp, like your one WhatsApp, you're going to connect it 4 times. So as you can see right here, I've already connected once, right? So I'll go back to the side. So as you can see right here, the WhatsApp I've connected. So the trick is that you're going to add another zero to your WhatsApp number. Like you're going to just add 10 in front of your WhatsApp number, then click at get code again. So you give another code, copy it, go back to your WhatsApp account, then click at this link a device again, and follow the steps, and then put in the code again, like the second code you copy, paste the code, and then leave it to load so that I can connect. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've connected one WhatsApp 2 times. That means I'll be earning twice my points. So for each message is 400, is 100 points I mean. So if I just leave these 2, so this means I'll be earning 200 points. So but I'll go back again and add another 0, that's 20 plus your WhatsApp number. Click at the get code again. So as you can see right here, this is the second number right there. Copy the code. Once you get the code, copy it, go back to your WhatsApp account again, click at the link a device, and follow up the step to connect your WhatsApp. Paste in the code again. This is the third code I'm copied, so I'll be connecting it again. Okay, so as you can see, this is the third time I've connected the accounts. Like one account I've connected it 3 times. This means I'll be earning 300 points. But I will go back again and add another 0. This is the third 0 I'm adding. So as you can see, add 30 plus the same WhatsApp number, then click at the get code, then copy the code and go back to your WhatsApp account. Click at the get link a device, and just follow up the steps, your password, link it number instead, and put in the 4th code you copied. Okay, so as you can see right there, I've connected my WhatsApp account 4 times. Like this will make me to earn 4 points, like 400 points at a time. Like each message I'm going to send is 100 points. So I've connected my WhatsApp 4 times, so I'll be earning 400 points. So that's what I did right here. As you can see, 4 message and I've earned 400 points. So as you can see, this is my first account, this is the first link, the second, the third, and this is the fourth. So this is my other number, this is my other WhatsApp number. So I'm going to use same step, same tactics to connect this WhatsApp again. I will be connecting it 3 more times. So that means I have 2 WhatsApp accounts, but I've connected it 8 times. That means I'll be earning 800 points for each message I'm going to be sending, like 800 points at a time. That means I've pressed this send button right here. If I've connected this one to the if I've connected it again 3 more times, I will be sending 8 messages at a time and you will be earning 800 points. So that's what I used to earn this 400 points. I connected one of my WhatsApp, I send message, I connected it 4 times and I send message for each of the connection that I did. I can send message 4 times and I earn 400 points. So guys, this is how this new WhatsApp update works. So just register your account, find 2 or 3 WhatsApp accounts and then connect it for 4 times, so to earn more points and you can withdraw. So to withdraw, come to this main button right here, and then this my total points, as you can see, 863 points. So to TRX 0.30 TRX to Naira that is 263.99 Naira. So to withdraw, just click at this button right here, the withdrawal button. Click at the withdrawal button, then select your country right here. So you can choose the countries. For Nigeria, as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 1000 points and they'll be charging you 200 points for gas fee. So that's just it. And also, to add your bank details before you withdraw, you need to add your bank details. So to add your bank details, once you click at the withdraw, just click at this add button right here. So you can choose your bank, like your bank, and then account number, account name, and then your login password to save your details, your bank details. And also, once you reach the minimum withdrawal, so you can just click at just put in the amount you want to withdraw and then click at sure. Your withdrawal is going to be dropped instantly, it doesn't waste time. So guys, this is all about this new WhatsApp update. Okay, so see you in my next video. Peace.